Today I will demonstrate how to create animated glass bars in Premiere Pro. Begin by right-clicking in your project panel and selecting New Item, then choose Adjustment Layer. Accept the default settings and drag this adjustment layer onto your timeline. Right-click the adjustment layer and select Speed, Duration, then set it to 3 seconds. Navigate to your Effects panel and search for the Transform effect, applying it to your adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, uncheck the Uniform Scale option. Adjust the height to 150, set the width to 30, and change the rotation to 25 degrees. Scroll down to the Transform settings and increase the scale to 130%. Click the stopwatch icon next to the Position property to enable keyframing. Starting from the beginning of your adjustment layer, increase the horizontal position value until your bar moves completely off the left side of the screen. Then move your timeline playhead to the end of the adjustment layer and modify the position values until the bar moves off the right side of the screen. Finally, duplicate your adjustment layer to create multiple animated bars.